So I was late for reservation and I missed my flight. But American Airlines gave me a ticket for another next flight, like in 30 minutes, absolutely for free. Can you believe it? This, I love this. I love this. So I came to New York from Miami for one day before my flight to Ukraine, and that will be a great idea to make some really interesting and good movies here. You know what I'm saying? This is actually New York, and but it's rain outside. Do you think this is gonna stop me? No, because I got only one day, and this is New York, baby. Another cool thing about my stay, this is I've got dollar pizza right about my apartments. This is the best about Manhattan.
idea of a number. We gotta say something, because these are our kids. This is the generation que va a traer a un presidente americano, mexicano. This is the generation. This is the generation that's gonna speak for everybody, for our parents, our grandparents, everybody.
This is 6 in the morning, Manhattan, and I'm going to shoot sunrise on Brooklyn Bridge. And apparently I already missed it because this is 6 and sunrise at 5:30. And let's... Just my alarm tricked me again. This is 6:30 in the morning, and guess what? I missed the sunrise. I supposed to wake up at 5, because sunrise is supposed to be at 5:30. But my alarm lied to me. Anyway, Brooklyn Bridge, I'm coming, baby.
Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, State your name, been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the Fit Lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running. Just coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, okay, alright. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with? Yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10, 10, 10. Yeah.